My name is Kristin Hill, and I am a theater, arts, and communications double major at Santa Clara University. Recently, I served as the dialect coach for Noises Off, a local theater production in Palo Alto. Here is a very quick, very watered down tutorial to a British accent. To start, take the corners of your mouth and push them in together. Keep your mouth as round as possible. Next, since British is a non-rhotic dialect, you're going to want to drop the R from the ends of your words. Words like there and mother become there and mother. Next is the R sound. Words like staff or castle become staff and castle. Next are two O sounds. The first is going to be the bright popped O, like hot. You're just keeping the corners of your mouth very nice and rounded, and it is sort of popping out of your mouth like hot, copper, coffee. The other one is O. If you think of the word Thor in the standard American accent, T-H-O-R, Thor. Thor, take off the R, Thor, add a T sound, thought, that's the word thought. I challenge you guys to try to use your new British accents out in the real world. Maybe order your coffee in a British accent, or go up to someone and ask for directions. Do you know where the library is? I do that all the time when I go to Starbucks. I will ask them for a grande iced strawberry refresher in a British accent, as long as I know that none of my friends are working there.